New product review today. Today we're going to be reviewing the Weber Flavor Bomb Burger. So let's see how this stacks up. Hey YouTube, welcome back. This is Griffin Grills. I am Griffin, and as you saw from the intro, we're doing a product review on Weber's Flavor Bomb Burger seasoning. It's very similar to the Blackstone as far as packaging and the consistency of the product. So that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to whip out my Blackstone. We're going to do some smash burgers. I love all the Weber products. They've never let me down before in the past. Not sponsored by them, but Weber, if you're out there, I wouldn't mind reviewing some stuff. Or just send me some charcoal. I'll be happy with that. But we're going to get into the product today. I'm going to whip up some smash burgers back here on the stone and get the seasoning on them and see how that works. So it's going to be less of a how-to and more of, is this product worth it? So stick around. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you never miss a video. Also click the bell notification, that way you get a notification every time that I post a video. And if you don't mind, leave me a comment, like it, share it on your social medias. Everything you do helps. I do go through and read some of the comments, so if you got a product you want me to try, if you're kind of on the fence about it, I'll be your guinea pig because I like to do this kind of stuff and I'm here for it. So go ahead, subscribe, and make sure that you don't miss any videos. Let's get some burgers on this stone. Alright, so I went ahead and grilled me some onions on this side. We got our stone ripping hot, it's smoking. Let's get some patties on it. And I just took and made some 3-ounce balls, 1 pack of 36 ounces, made about 12. So we're just going to plop them. And now for the star of the show today, our Weber Flavor Bomb Burger. Try saying that about 3 times fast. I'm going to give a little sprinkle on all of them. Contend with the wind. And I like to let it get a little bit of a crust right there in the middle before I smash. I'm going to take just a regular sheet of parchment paper, and I got one of the Blackstone extra wide burger spatulas. This comes in handy. Alright, now that we got those smashed out, we'll do a little more seasoning on that. I'm going to let these cook off for just a minute or two, and then we'll flip them over and put a cheese on. My preference of cheese today is Colby Jack. You could do cheddar. Feeling fancy, get some Munster. Ooh, just enough cheese. And if you want the cheese to melt a little quicker, if you got one of these dome lids, you can kind of scoop a couple of them close together. Set that dome over the top and let that heat from the grill come up and melt the cheese on top. It does a fairly good job melting it anyway, but some people like cheese like liquid. See, that does make it a little bit more melty. I'm going to say those are ready to come off. and get our onions. Alright, so I got a smash burger here with just the onions and the cheese and the meat. That's about the best way I like to test the products, because I know all the other flavors, so I'm looking for what stands out. So let's give it a try, see what we think. Nice crispy patty. The toasted bun, kind of soft in the middle, warm throughout. Very juicy, even though we smashed it on there. You'd think it would make them really dry. I bet there's some kind of like a component in that seasoning to help juice it up a little bit. A lot of times if you're grilling burgers with charcoal, you'll add Worcestershire. That'll help juice up the burger a little bit. That's a very good smash burger with no condiments on it at all. That's the way I test it like this, is so you can taste just the burger, because condiments can throw it off. But I ain't mad at that. Very good. Recommend you give this seasoning a try. Weber's never let me down before. I don't expect them to now. Everybody's into these flat cookers now with the Blackstones and Cuisinarts, so they're gonna develop stuff for that too. But I don't see no reason you couldn't use that on a charcoal grill. You know, add a little seasoning on top of your burgers when you're cooking it on charcoal. Give this one a try. See what you think. Make sure you leave a like on this video, comment on it. If you got something you want me to try, if I can find it, I'll try it. Best thing you can do to help me out is to share this video. That way more people will see it. And the best thing you can do for yourself is make sure you're subscribed, so you'll get a notification every time that I make a video. That's all we got for today. Thanks very much. Have a great one. Just set it right over the top. Take our other spatula.